To unshrink an item made of rayon, first fill a bucket with warm water and mix in about 1 cup, 237 milliliters, of mild baby shampoo. Submerge the rayon in the bucket and gently massage it with your hands to work the water and shampoo into the fibers. Once the item is thoroughly soaked, rinse it with clean cold water. Gently press the excess water out of the fabric with your hands, but don't wring or twist it. Next, lay out a towel on a flat surface and spread the rayon item out on top of it. Roll the rayon up tightly inside the towel and press on the bundle to help release excess water. Unroll the towel again and use your hands to gently stretch and reshape the rayon until it's back to its original size. Lay the item out flat on a clean, dry towel and let it air dry. To speed up the drying process, set up a fan and let it blow over the rayon. To prevent future shrinking, always dry clean your rayon items if possible. If not, wash them in cold water on the gentle cycle, then allow them to air dry.